Have you ever noticed something strange? Your brain is your best friend sometimes, and your biggest enemy at other times. One moment it shows you the sky. I'll study 12 hours every day. I'll become a topper. I'll change my life. And the very next moment, it glues you to your bed. 5 more minutes. Not now. I don't feel like it. It shows you a dream, then destroys the same dream itself. And at night, that same brain whispers, you didn't study today. You're never going to improve. You failed again. This is the real fight. You versus your own brain. Today in this video, we will flip the entire game. Today you will learn how to stop your brain from controlling you and start controlling your brain instead. Story: the door that was never locked. A world-famous thief was once caught, a master of locks, a genius at breaking doors, the smartest criminal ever known. The police said, "We will put you in the most secure room. If you can open the lock within 30 minutes, you are free forever." The thief smiled. He took out his tools and started working on the lock. 10 minutes passed. His fingers started shaking. 20 minutes passed. Sweat dripped from his face. 25 minutes. His heartbeat grew faster. And 30 minutes were over. He failed. A police officer walked in, touched the lock lightly, and bam, the door swung open. The thief collapsed in shock. "How did you open it?" he screamed. The officer said, "This door was never locked. You only believed it was locked. Now listen carefully. Your life also has similar imaginary locked doors. IT isn't for me. I can't study for long hours. I'll never become a topper. I don't have focus. I'm not good enough." The truth is, none of these doors are actually locked. Your mind simply told you they are, and you believed it. This video's purpose is simple: to show you that the door is open. You just have to push it. Chapter 1. The real enemy isn't laziness. Most students say, "I'm lazy. I don't feel like studying. I can't stay consistent." But the truth is, you're not lazy. You're confused. You don't know how your brain works. Your brain is ancient. It was built to avoid danger, not to achieve success. The moment you start studying, your brain feels threatened. This is hard. This is uncomfortable. Let's stop this. And to protect you, it throws distractions at you. Check TikTok. Watch one more reel. Take a little break. You'll do it tomorrow. These are all survival instincts. So remember, your enemy isn't laziness. It's your comfort zone brain, and you can defeat it easily once you understand the game. Chapter 2. The two brains inside you. Every human carries two brains inside. The logical brain, the one that says, "I want to top. I should finish the syllabus. I need a timetable." It understands goals. It understands future. It understands discipline. The emotional brain, the one that says, "I want fun now. Let's relax a little. Let's watch something. Let's pick up the phone." This brain is like a child. It only wants excitement. It only wants comfort. It hates effort. And 90% of the time, the emotional brain wins. Why? Because emotions are heavier than logic. Your logical brain says, "Study." Your emotional brain says, "But Netflix is waiting." And logic loses. Chapter 3. How to hijack the emotional brain. Step 1. If you want to change your life, you must defeat the emotional brain using its own weapons: imagination, feelings, visuals, stories. These are the things that excite your brain. So every day for just 1 minute, close your eyes and visualize this. The result day. You open your laptop. You type your roll number. Your fingers tremble. Your heartbeat shakes your chest. The screen loads, and suddenly the marks appear. 97%, 98%, 99%. Your mother stands behind you. Her eyes fill with tears. Your father puts a hand on your shoulder and says, "I always knew you could do it." At that moment, you feel the worth of your hard work. Every late night, every sacrifice, every moment of discomfort. This visualization is so powerful that the emotional brain says, "Yes, I want this. Let's study." Chapter 4. The 5-second decision rule. Step 2. The second weapon. The 5-second rule. Whenever you need to, get up, Start studying. Put away your phone. Open your books. Just count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 gives action. Why? Because after 5 seconds, your emotional brain wakes up and starts creating excuses. A little later. Not now. Let me check one reel first. Tomorrow for sure. But if you take action within 5 seconds, the emotional brain shuts up. You win the moment, and the person who wins the moment wins the day. Chapter 5. The 5-Minute More Strategy. Step 3. Here is a secret toppers never tell anyone. Toppers don't decide to study 4 hours. They only decide to study for 5 minutes. When the mind says, "I'm tired," stop studying. Take a break. Toppers whisper to themselves, "Just 5 minutes more." And 90% of the time, those 5 minutes turn into 20 minutes, 40 minutes, and eventually hours of deep focus. This is called flow activation. Once the flow begins, distractions disappear, focus grows, studying starts to feel good. Chapter 6. The regret loop, the most dangerous trap. Every night, students say, "I didn't study again. I am falling behind. I'm going to fail. I'm not capable." These words destroy the brain from the inside. They kill self-respect. They damage confidence. But listen carefully. What happened today is over. It doesn't define your tomorrow. You don't need to abuse yourself. You don't need to call yourself a failure. You're human, not a robot. Life isn't a race. It's a journey. Your job is simple. Just be better tomorrow. Chapter 7. The Mirror Talk. Build a strong inner voice. Every morning, look in the mirror and tell yourself, "I can do this. I trust myself. I will not quit." Why? Because the world won't motivate you. People won't lift you up. You must build yourself. You must support yourself. Your biggest battles will happen inside you, and nobody will see them. But one day, the world will see your victory. Chapter 8. Remove the single biggest distraction, and that is your phone. The phone isn't the enemy. The lack of control is. Your phone takes only as much time as you allow it to take. Rule: when studying, keep your phone outside the room, not silent mode. Outside. If the phone is near, your brain will pull you toward it. But if the phone isn't even around, your brain will automatically stick to your books. Chapter 9. How toppers think differently. Toppers have a very different mindset. What I study today will build my rank tomorrow. Asterisk, asterisk, the day isn't short. I'm just not using it well. Asterisk, 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 I don't want to be perfect. I want to be consistent. Asterisk, asterisk. Remember, toppers aren't born. They are built with powerful habits. Chapter 10. The day you break the chains. There comes a day when studying no longer feels like pressure. It becomes a habit. A day when books don't feel heavy. They feel familiar. A day when you finally realize you never had to defeat the world. You only had to defeat your own brain. That day, you become unstoppable. Final message: control the brain before it controls you. Remember these 3 rules. 1. Feed your emotional brain. Visualize your dreams. Feel the result day. Let emotions work for you. 2. Use the 5-second rule. Don't think, act. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 3. Apply the 5-minute more strategy. These extra 5 minutes are what separate winners from everyone else. And note, the door is not locked. The door isn't locked. It never was. You were stopping yourself. Your fear was stopping you. Your doubts were stopping you. Today, push that door. Walk in, because your future, your success, your victory is waiting for you.